Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine and stay safe. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to present my new project Tic Tac Toe AI Integrated. As I told you before, I will create this project. There is also a surprise for you all. Watch till end, you will get that. As you can see, it's open and there is a play button. Let's click on it. Here these two options, head or tail. I choose head. I am moving my chances. As you can see, the match has been drawn. Now this time I am choosing tail. Let's see it. I put my chance. Now computer, now I. And you can see as computer win the match. Again tail. Moving my chance. The match. Now this time I am choosing head. Let's play it again. As you can see, match has been drawn. Yes, now I'm going to reveal the surprise. As you can see that the second option, fastest first. This is basically a new concept of tic-tac-toe I created. Here you were asked to answer a question which is basically a common operator used like plus minus into divide. If you answer the question in 5 seconds, you have obtained a chance and you will move it. If answer is wrong or the time has been passes, then the computer obtain the chance. Let's see it. As you can see, the question has been asked, but I will not answer this question because it's too big. Calculation. This time my move, I had my chance. So this time again a question. I read the answer. The answer is right. Now my move. 15 minus 17. I write my answer and that answer is right. I got one move again and you can see as I win the match. Let's play it again. Oh, this time might be a big mistake. There will be a 7. Sorry for that. Let's move forward. As you can see, I am giving my answer. Guys, if you like this concept, please comment below and also forgive my calculation mistakes because I'm not too good in math. Let's play it again. One more time. Sorry for that. Wrong answer. 2. I will move my chance. I'm not going to do this big calculation. I'm not too much enough time. 5 seconds is too less for me. Yeah. 360, great. 3 minutes. 14. Good. As you can see that again I win the match. Let's play it again one more time. 66. Yeah, the answer is right. Let me see again. I don't know table. I write. I again win the match. Let's play it one more time. Yeah. If you are getting bored, you can move forward. I win this match one more time. This is the last time I'm going to play. I think that this concept is good for the children to develop their mind through playing games. They can learn table also by playing this game, and they will enjoy, I think so. Do you think that children like this game? If yes, comment below please. Again, yeah, I again win the match. If you also want to create this game, you can create it easily. It is too easy game, I think so. You can create it in only few days. And if you ask me a question that what's the main principle of this project, then I will told you that if else condition. The full game is at a condition level. That means if the user move at H, then what to do. If user move at side, then what to do in that particular chances. And well, I want to say that I saw a video how to win tic-tac-toe trick. From there I get that if the user do this, then what to do, and I put that thought in this program, and then the project is been ready. You can also create it too easily. And sorry for my any mistake, and also the background disturbance. Sorry for that all. Thanks.